Operationalization. It simply means to measure. Now, it can either be a quantitative data, that is something numerical or concrete. For example, number of people who like dogs. So you just count and say that these many people like dogs. Measuring something concrete, something that is quantitative, is very easy. Tricky is when you have to operationalize or say to measure qualitative data, something that is very abstract in nature. For example, I am a researcher and I want to measure the happiness of my participants. So, how do I measure happiness? In such cases, we do categorization. Let's say I make categories to see if a person is happy. I can either just ask questions through using a questionnaire, or I look out for these behaviors like are they smiling, are they laughing, jumping out of joy, clapping out of joy, dancing out of joy, etc. So these are the categories I can make. Then I measure by counting the number of times. Let's say how many times the participants smiled, how many times they laughed. So if they laughed 5 times, I note that they are more happy. If they laugh just 1 time, that means they are little less happy. So by observing these particular behaviors, I am so-called operationalizing, that is measuring their happiness. So I hope you understood how to measure something that is abstract in nature. You do it by making categories and then counting the number of times the particular behavior has been shown, and also by labeling them in ascending order. For example, if you are just okay happy, I say you will just smile. If you're more happy, you will laugh. If you are very, very happy, you will dance and clap, and so on. Now, coming to the next point, the disadvantage of doing so, that it can vary from participant to participant or researcher to researcher. For example, each person is different and we all show our happiness in different ways. Maybe if you're very, very happy, you just smile, but you don't really dance or jump. And your friend, even if she's just little happy, she starts jumping and clapping out of joy. So, can I say that your friend is more happy than you because she showed more intense behavior than you? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe you are more happy actually, but it's your way of showing that you just smile, that's all. So each person shows different kinds of behavior for each emotion. It is difficult to say who is feeling more than the other. Another thing is difference between the researchers. Now, for example, I see you laughing and I say you're very happy. Then my co-researchers see you laughing and they say you're just average happy. Cause according to me, maybe laughing means very happy. And according to him, laughing is just average happy. So who is right and who is wrong? It's very difficult to say. Anyways, I hope you understood what is operationalization, and if you still have any doubts or you have any questions, please feel free to write your comments in the comment section below. And also, if you want me to upload any video on any specific psychology topic, let me know, I'll do so.